So this is something that we can prevent with TypeScript. The second part is the definition of the editor configs. Let me switch back the issue from editor to editor 2. And what we are going to do is we are getting the config. You can see sometimes the suggestions are not the ideal ones. But for this one, we would like to use this constant. What I did, it's basically I extracted the call of the document query selector to external variable. The error is still there because we need to now handle and that if this editor element is null, we should throw an error, not continue further, and we know what happened. See, it says element is not assignable to type HTML element because this query selector doesn't really need to turn the element. Some elements, for example, comments are still elements, but they are not HTML elements that are allowed to be used as the placeholder for CKEditor. For this one, we will just specify with these generics that we just want to find the HTML div element with ID editor. Now we know that this one is either HTML div element or null. And if it's null, we'll throw an error. Now we are all safe because we know that this create function that just accept HTML element or string has the correct type. The second part basically says that our definition of the editor config is just of type any because it just automatically gets this structure. Again, it will work, but for example, if I place the hello here and I will just do hello world, we don't get any issues, but you can get your configuration into the incorrect state. For example, if I do the typo, I have no idea that I made a mistake. This type automatically add the editor config from the CKEditor. Now underneath, you know that now you are safe with configuring everything. If I'm using IntelliSense, you can see it automatically load the type definition of the editor config. For every single thing that I can configure, you already got the documentation. For example, if you want to configure the bookmark, how you can do it, if you want to configure the alignment or emoji, how you can do it. This is the power of the TypeScript.